Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get some quick and easy curls whenever you're in a rush to get onto work or throughout your day or whatever it is that you have planned. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I like to do is I like to just take the comb and just kind of tame the hair a little bit. Take out any tangles that may be there. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this section right here. Now this part has a little bit of wave to it, which your hair should have wave, because if you got your bomb hair from the mcexperience.com, then that means your hair holds a curl. Ask me, am I lying? I'm not. But anyway, let's go ahead and section off what we're going to focus on. So what I like to do is I take this back section and I take a 1-inch curling iron. This iron is by Hot Tools. I have it set to 400 degrees. And of course you do need to put on some heat protectant. I couldn't find mine, so I didn't have it on there. But when I previously curled my hair, I already had heat protectant on there. And this hair is pretty high quality hair, so you really don't have to worry about it being damaged too much. However, you don't want to do continuous curls. However, you don't want to continually curl your hair without using some type of protectant on your hair, because eventually it will damage it. Anyway, so I take this curl and I like to curl it going towards the face. Take it, hold it for a few seconds and let it drop, and it should look something like this. Really cute curl. Now I'm going to take this section here and curl it away from the base. For a few seconds. And that's what that should look like right there. And finally, this top piece, we're going to take it like this and curl it. You know what? Do I want to curl that away from the face? Well, I've already started, so I'm going to curl it away from the face. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, you're going to let that sit for a little while. We're going to go on to the other side. Now, this hair curls so well that in the event that you did want to go ahead and curl your whole head, you can. What I am wearing is the 14-inch Brazilian Body Wave. I have in 3 bundles and a 4x4 lace closure. And it is the MC Brazilian Body Wave. Now, we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to curl going backwards. Hold it for a few seconds. Let it dry. Let it dry. Okay, now these other two sections, I'm going to take it, and I'm going to curl going away from the face. Make sure that you put down the curling foot. I have a habit of not doing that. As you can see, it's getting caught in the hair. So just go ahead and put that down so that you can avoid that. Put that down now. It'd be hot though. I don't really want to touch it. Let's try this again because the curl kept getting caught in the foot. Hold it for a few seconds. Let it drop. Finally, for this last piece, hold it for a few seconds. Let it drop. Now, as you can see, I have them curled opposite ways. I did that on purpose, and you're going to see why in just a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and brush or comb the hair out. Comb that hair out. And as you can see, it looks really good. And it blends in well with the older curls. You don't want too much drama in the hair on the average day anyway, which is one of the reasons why I didn't go ahead and curl throughout the hair. But if you want to, you can do that. It's just that the curls are going to be really big and voluminous, and that's why I decided to just keep it here in the front so that it can frame the face. However, still be subtle enough in the back for everyday wear. I'm going to go ahead and comb out this side. And the reason why I do opposite ways is because of the way that it falls. I want them to both fall kind of swooping like that, and for me to get that effect, I curl it the opposite way. Now, if you want a little more volume here, you can always back comb and then come in and smooth that out over the top, and that's how you get your volume. And there she is, looking cute, ready to go and face the day. If you like this tutorial, please be sure to subscribe, comment down below, hit me with a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, this is, by the way, a custom wig. I do make custom wigs for my company. Be sure to check out the website. I will leave the information in the description box on how you can order. And right now, I actually have a special going on. What I am doing is all custom wig orders are 50% off. You heard me right. I said 50% off. So go ahead, take advantage of this.